At CMI Corporation, we believe that quality pays and versatility sells. Therefore, every machine we design and build features quality construction that makes it reliable for many years. And it fits perfectly into a wide variety of job situations. Today's emphasis is on reconstruction, often in limited space and under many different job conditions. Equipment must be able to adapt from job to job. There's also a new emphasis on fast-track paving with quick-setting concrete. The versatility to meet these needs is part of the quality built into CMI machines. Quality begins at CMI's headquarters and main plant in Oklahoma City. Details of each machine are worked out on sophisticated computer-aided design systems. In the shop, every step of construction is done with modern precision tools, from multiple cutting torches to automated arc welders to computer-controlled giant milling machines. And they are operated by skilled men and women who take pride in the quality of their work. CMI's automated products are clearly established as world leaders in fine grading and slip-form paving. Their accuracy and dependability are proven year after year. Sometimes the value of a machine is measured by how well it can be adapted to a variety of job requirements. And here again, CMI products are unparalleled. Hochtief of Germany chose CMI slip-form pavers and support equipment for this major project at the Munich airport. The pavers and placer spreader were covered with tents to protect the slab against sudden rain showers. And they were set up to pave a width of 50 feet. That's wide. Zero clearance paving was called for on this parking lot project in Oklahoma City. Do-It Construction did it successfully with an older CMI paver. One track and leg were removed, along with one side form. The remaining 3 tracks rode on the grade to avoid any possibility of damage to the adjacent slab. That's value. Near Evansville, Indiana, new freeway ramps were paved by Reith Riley. Specs called for 16-foot ramps with 4-foot shoulders on one side and 8-foot shoulders on the other side. The 8-foot shoulder had to go from 4 inches above the plane of pavement to 4 inches below the plane of pavement and back on the run. Ordinarily, this would be a 2-pass operation. However, by modifying the crowning device and one side form, each ramp was done in a single pass with a CMI SF450. That's flexibility. When a new runway was planned for the Indianapolis International Airport, the contract was awarded to the Harper Company. A row of dowel bars was to be placed 9 inches below the surface every 25 feet. To avoid the additional time and cost of dowel baskets, Harper chose to use a CMI SF450 with automated dowel bar inserter. That's savings. bars were also used on this new expressway project near Wausau, Wisconsin. However, Wisconsin Department of Transportation requires that each row of bars be placed on a 5-foot skew for each 30-foot slab. The reason for this, so that only one wheel will pass over the seam at a time, reducing the load stress from trucks. Benton Construction Company completed this and 2 other projects with an SF450 and a CMI dowel bar inserter, which was modified at the factory for Wisconsin specification. That's adaptability. When new interstate highways were constructed in Salt Lake City, Ball, and Brosemer chose an SF550 and a 4-track SF350. The 350 had a CMI oscillating final finisher to reduce hand finishing. Both pavers and efficient crews contributed to early completion and excellent profilograph readings. That's performance. CMI trimmers are equally reliable and versatile. This TR500, operated by Holloway Construction, was responsible for the final profile of base material in Detroit. Sometimes excess material was loaded into trucks, and sometimes it was placed onto the shoulder. And all the time, a battery of compacting rollers was towed behind. That's productivity. This single-lane TR225B teamed up with a PR500FL rotomill to completely remove the shoulder of this interstate near Houston. Williams Brothers was the contractor, and like many other projects, they worked under heavy traffic. That's reliability. Now the TR225B can do double duty. After completing the trimming, it can be easily connected to the new CMI concrete placer attachment. In situations where trucks are not able to drive directly on the grade, the 225B can work from an adjacent lane or shoulder and place the concrete on the grade in front of the paver. This eliminates the need for a separate machine for this step. That's versatility. Wherever quality concrete roads are being poured, where profilograph standards are surpassed, when a project is completed ahead of schedule, when incentive awards are paid to the contractor, the equipment you're most likely to see carries the CMI logo. Because at CMI, quality pays.